Hey folks, AJ here. We're back at my famous workbench. Today we're highlighting the Microsage Grill and Flow Path Jet Internal, originally made by Hydroair. The part number is 16-5230. This jet was mostly used by Aquatic and Lasco back in the 90s and early 2000s in their luxury Whirlpool bathtubs. Can also be found in a lot of older hot tubs. The jet internal is only available in white. As you can see, it is a very unique design. And the reason why it's given the name Grill and Flow Path is obviously it has a grill, the shape of a Y, in the front of it. And the flow path is how it spins and gives a certain kind of flow pattern to the water coming out of the jet through an access point that's on the front of the grill. Okay, this is the jet body that it goes into. Let me show you how it goes together and comes apart. You're going to notice on the wall flange of the jet we have these two protrusions that are going to fit inside of these two notches on the jet face. So just line those guys right up, get it in all the way, give it a quarter turn, and you're locked in place. To get it out, just do the quarter turn in reverse. Here's a jet body that's still available for this Microsage jet. Uses 1.5 inch water and 1 inch air. Jet body is sold complete with the wall flange, the body itself, and the gasket. There are color trims that are available in chrome, polished brass, and antique brass. And that's pretty much everything you need to know about the Microsage jet made originally by Hydroair. We are your Whirlpool Tub Parts Authority.